Here we have a deck of cards. For this trick, however, we don't need all 52 cards. We just need one card and one drinking glass. Watch, I will try to defy gravity. Just like that. That glass is suspended over the card with just one card, one glass, and a whole lot of magic. So the secret to this trick is actually very simple. The deck of cards is normal, the glass is normal, but the card is secretly prepared. Because what we've really done is taken two cards and glued them together. So there's a hinge right here in the middle that allows the glass to rest on that back hinge, which supports the glass. It takes a little bit of practice to get the balance right, know where the center is, but here from the side view, here's a few tips that I would recommend, and that is you can start with the card in the middle of the deck. So that way it looks like you're just sort of selecting one card at random. In this case, I just simply push it forward a little bit and pull it out. And I'm holding the hinge so that I can show subtly both sides of the card. Place the deck to the side. And here's what you need to do. The moment of opening the hinge, do it when you place the glass in front so that the glass distracts and blocks the vision of that hinge opening. And then simply set the glass on top, rest it at that perfect point in which it holds, and there you have this suspended glass. If you like this trick, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to visit us at magicianmasterclass.com for more exciting beginner magic tricks that you can learn to amaze your friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you on the next trick.